Hello everybody, and welcome to the how to set up your Draft2Digital account when you are a paid collaborator. Whatever email account you use, you're going to sign in. The email that you're going to see is going to say Draft2Digital payment splitting collaboration update. It doesn't matter what book you are accepting the collaboration for, it is going to say this heading. When you click on it, you will see the Draft2Digital logo, and then you will see your email. You will then see that you are invited to a collaboration of whatever the anthology is called, or your collection, or your book, or whatever. Then you're going to click Read and Confirm. It's going to take you to this page. Usually right here would be the image of it would be your book cover. Make sure you recognize your book cover and you recognize the name. If you're getting this random email for something that you don't recognize, you probably shouldn't accept it. This is an example for the royalty share for the anthology that we're putting together right now. I did not upload the image yet. I kind of worked backwards, so that's why it says no image selected. So it says Draft2Digital royalty splitting is the easy way to take direct control, blah, blah, blah. Now, it'll say sign up or log in. If you are already signed up or logged in, you won't see this. However, we're going to make a new account because I'm going to walk you through it. So we're going to hit sign up. You are going to give all of your information. This does have to be your legal first and last name because Draft2Digital is trying to pay you. Then you hit I'm not a robot and you hit register. It just gives you an overview of the terms of service, whatever, you hit accept. Okay, now you gotta wait for a confirmation email link. Go over to your email, open it back up, find the Draft2Digital confirm your account, and confirm your account. Once you've confirmed your account, you can log back in with your email address and password. And we can proceed to the next step. Now, it'll take us right back to royalty sharing details. This page looks a little bit different, but that's because we're logged in now. So it'll once again show your book cover if you have it there. It'll show your title, and then it'll show how much of a royalty you're going to get. Whether the print book or the audiobook exists or not, the coordinator can set up a percentage. Because this is just a test run, it says 0, but it'll show you what your percentage will be. Now, you can read the terms of service, basically just says that they'll pay you. You're gonna go ahead and click I agree. You've accepted the royalty split. We've created a new publisher for you named D2D Collaborative Split Playout, but you don't have an active method of payment on your account, so go to Account Payment Options and create a new payment method to get paid. So you're going to go to Account Payment Options. Now, you do have to fill out tax information. So you're going to put in your legal name because that's what they're paying to. If you do things as a business and you have an LLC or whatever, you can put that in here instead so you get the correct tax information. You get to choose how Draft2Digital will pay you. Do you want to check? Easy enough. You don't have to put any of your bank information on here ever if you don't want to. You can do a direct deposit for either the US or international, PayPal, or Payoneer. We're going to click direct deposit just so I can show you how this works. You get to choose your payment threshold. $0. That means as soon as that you get a royalty payment, it will send it to you in the next couple of business days and you'll get an email saying that you're getting that royalty split. You can make it bigger if you're getting checks, so you can say $50, $10, whatever. This is whatever you would like it to be. Launch interview portion, so I can show you how to set up your tax information. This little box is going to pop up. Why do I have to fill out my tax information, you may ask? It's so they can pay you. The United States government says that if you are giving people money, you have to have their tax information so that you can prove that they're not an employee and it's not illegal, etc. And if you make more than $500, you do have to report it. So they have to give you a tax document with that information. So we're going to hit continue. And it'll say individual business. If you're an LLC, if you're an author who does business taxes, you're going to put completing the tax interview on behalf of a corporation, trust, partnership, or LLC. Unless you're the only person and you're doing it in your own name. That's for sole proprietor or doing business as, or if you're the only person in an LLC. You're probably the only person in an LLC. You're going to hit this top one. Put in your first name, your last name. If you're doing the business stuff, then you will put in a date of birth. I'm just putting in a random one here. It'll also say this: we require your consent so we may collect information to comply with IRS tax regulations, which is may use a third party process. You're just gonna hit yes. You're gonna hit whatever country of citizenship you are, and we're gonna hit continue. Your address, if you already filled it in, will automatically fill in, or you can put your business address. You hit continue. This next page is consent for electronic signature. Basically, you're saying, yeah, if this is printed paper, then I'm signing it. Then you say that you consent to them looking at the things that you're sending them. Now, you will say whether you are a U.S. citizen or U.S. corporation. If you select no, I actually don't know what happens, so let's look. Okay. If you select no, then it'll ask different questions, but we're going to select yes. Yep. So you select your federal tax classification. In most cases, you will be an individual. Then you're going to put in your either employee identification number or your social security number. Now it's going to show you your W-9 that you could download and print if you need to. You're going to double check all of your information. It would be just like if you went to a job. Then you're going to hit continue. You are going to select all of these boxes. All of these boxes just certify that no, I didn't lie. Yes, I need you to know this information. You're going to type your name. That's your signature. And then you're going to type your email address. Once you are finished, you will hit Submit W-9. Now you may have a question about the FATCA codes. The FATCA codes entered on this form, if any, indicate that I am exempt from FATCA reporting is correct. This has to do with foreign tax account stuff. You're not going to have to care about it. You just got to click it anyways. There are none listed, so you're good to go. You're going to get this. You've completed the tax interview. Your data has been received. You're going to click Exit Interview, and then it closes your tab. Once you are back in your account, you may see this. Please wait while we verify your tax information. Or it'll say what was on the previous page, which is like, oh, we don't have your tax information. If you just go to Account and down to Payment Options, you can check to make sure that everything was submitted correctly. And it'll say your name, where you're registered, what your withholding rate is, and then validation pending. Once it is complete, you'll get an email. If there's issues, you'll get an email. You can edit this at any time, and there you go. You are all set up, and now you can get your money for your books.